Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go over the very basics of how to use our WordPress website to add content. So you want to have your own program. It's very simple. We'll set you up with your own program page ahead of time, and from there you'll probably just have a blank page that is unpublished, which we'll get into in a second. There's two things you need to know about the WordPress platform. What we're looking at right now is an individual page. WordPress also uses what's called posts. All right, so because it's a blogging platform, it's meant for sort of quick on-the-fly data addition to the website. So posts display down here. You'd use a post if you wanted to announce that you've added a new show to the website. So and if you want to add other content as well, like a musician you like is coming or there's a lecture, this would be a good place to put it. They're not as commonly used for your purposes as pages though. So just wanted to touch on posts a bit before I dove into pages. So I'm going to go to my page, the Broadband Show with DJ Krager, and I'm going to show you the back end of this website. So you're going to need two browser windows open. The URL to get into our website is squamish.fm/wp-login right here, and this screen will come up. Prior to this, you should have been sent a username and a password to get in. If not, email me and I'll hook you up. So let's log in and see what the back end of the website looks like. The reason we have two browsers open is you always need to go back and forth between the two and see what's going on. Okay, so for the most part, there's two menus that you're going to be concerned with the most. Usually the pages one is the one you're going to go to. So go to all pages. And here's my Broadband Show. If it was your show, it'd be your show page, whatever. So let's edit that. Let's say you've just finished a new audio program and you have a little text to go with it, maybe a poster. Okay, so in this case, there's a few things I want to point out. First of all is formatting. In websites, we usually try and follow standardized formatting protocols so that a site displays correctly across all pages. Okay, so large headings are labeled as headings here in the styling palette, and regular text is labeled as paragraph. Please don't go around changing copy, text, color, going outside and having big large sized fonts or whatever. Just try and keep it consistent throughout if you don't mind. This thing here is, as you can see, that little F, that means it's a Flash based software thing. So what it is, it's an integration from another website, and I'll have another lesson on how to post your mixes in a separate tutorial. But right now, this, for all intents and purposes, is a visual of what my mix looks like on my web page. Okay, so if you look here, this thing here, this Broadband with DJ Krager, actually looks like this. If you wanted to do something like, let's say, link this text to a jogging thing, you could just type in the URL here. Okay, so the other thing to note is when you're doing links, you have to decide whether you want it to open in a new window or tab or stay in the same one. Okay, so typically I suggest if it's an outside link, link it to a new window, and then it keeps people on our website and they can come back easily. It's your choice though, and you should always title your posts or your links within your document. And you can also pick other pages in here. So if you're trying to, let's say, promote an upcoming event that we're having, you can click on this and say, come to the fall Kickstart general meeting. Okay. What else is there to tell you about this? Oh, when it's done, you're going to want to update your content. Okay. So just hit update and it'll post live. The other thing you can do is you can take your page into draft form. So let's say you're going away for 2 months and you're not going to post a new show, or for whatever reason, you can unpublish this, or you can publish it again. All right, so that covers the basics of how to add new content to your program page and the difference between posts and pages, and some basic formatting tips for your page on Squamish Free Media.